Hello, my name is Sherlonna Osborne. I want to introduce my audience, Miss Brooke. Hey. Miss Doris.
Hello.
And Miss Cecilia.
Hello.
Today I am doing my informative speech, and my specific purpose statement is to help or teach techniques to help prevent tooth decay. Okay. I chose this topic today because I have 16 years experience in dentistry before I became a nurse. And throughout the speech you'll hear me go over some sites that I have previously researched, and all these are reputable dental sites. In 2010, in the Dental Tribune, Dr. Patinos Panagokos stated that there were 6.3 billion people that suffer from dental decay. The Mayo Clinic of 2014 said the definition of tooth decay is damage to the hard surface of the tooth, also known as enamel, which is the first layer of the tooth here. And when the decay creates a hole or a tiny crack, it goes to the second part of the tooth, which is called the dentin. And once it's in the second part of the tooth, this is actually a cavity. If it gets any worse, then it can go to the pulp of the tooth, which is also known as a nerve of a tooth. And you definitely want to get it taken care of before then. But I have some great ways that we can help prevent tooth decay that I'm going to go over later in this speech. There are certain factors that make teeth more susceptible. One is plaque, white sticky film of bacteria that's on the teeth, sugars and starches that we eat throughout the day, and those two actually create an acid that attacks the tooth. It attacks the layer of the tooth that we call the enamel, which is that first layer I discussed, and this makes the tooth weak. Now I will discuss 3 effective ways to help prevent tooth decay. Number 1 is brushing. This is an important part of oral hygiene and an effective way to help prevent tooth decay. The National Institute of Dental and Craniofacial Research has recommended that we brush twice a day. The most important is at night. We need to brush for 2 minutes, and we want to do it at night because you don't want to go all that day and have sugars and starches on your teeth, and then they start attacking the tooth itself at night. Alright, so we're going to show you how to brush on my model. Alright, so you want to make sure that if you're using toothpaste, you only use a pea size, and it's actually the tooth bristles that clean the teeth. It is not the toothpaste. So you hold it at an angle here, making sure that the toothbrush itself is getting the gum and the tooth, and you do a circular motion all the way around. Bottom teeth, inside your teeth, and get the chewing surfaces, and then stand your toothbrush up to get these teeth here and these teeth as well. And we don't want to forget about the tongue, because that actually holds a lot of bacteria in our mouth, and that also helps with fresher breath. Another effective way to help prevent tooth decay is by flossing. And the American Dental Association recommends that we floss for 2 minutes. Floss at least once a day. And now I'm going to show you how to floss. You can use a floss holder, a toothpick, anything that gets between your teeth. And you want to make sure that when you're doing this, you're using a seesaw motion with the floss, making sure you're not pushing down and you're cutting the gum. So you want to make sure you're keeping a healthy gum. And last but not least, a healthy diet. It is an effective way to fight tooth decay, and also general health. It improves our general health. The Mayo Clinic actually recommends that we have our sugars and starches with our meals and our healthy snacks in between. So we got meats, cheeses, nuts, popcorn, fruits, vegetables, unsweetened tea, water. All that is great to eat in between the meals, and it lessens our chance of tooth decay. Mayo Clinic has also stated that artificial sweeteners are okay to use because they are not connected to tooth decay, so you can give that as an option to your patients. Okay, so we're going to summarize. Tooth decay is prevented by brushing twice a day, flossing daily, and eating a healthy diet. And a cute little saying that my office used to say is, you don't have to brush all your teeth, just the ones that you want to keep. And that's it. Thank you for listening.
Yay.
Yeah.